Imagine you have such a problem. You are trying to search for a product using specific keywords, but for some reason, the product is not being found. It's frustrating, right? The issue lies in how the search query is structured, particularly with the tokenizer being used. Adding stopwords didn't have an effect because of this specific setup. Moving on to the solution, pay close attention to the code provided. By performing a search using the edge_engram tokenizer and then enhancing it with the standard tokenizer, you can improve the search results significantly. This adjustment allows for a more thorough search process, ensuring that even queries with slight variations can yield relevant results. Keep in mind the key components of the code snippet provided to implement this solution effectively. In summary, addressing the problem of missing search results required a strategic change in the search query approach. By incorporating both the edge_engram and standard tokenizers, you can enhance the search functionality and boost the accuracy of the results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Remember, a witty comment can brighten someone's day.